Bobby learns to run. Bobby was the young dinosaur, still learning to stand. Every day, his mummy dino would try to teach him something new, and he'd eagerly learn it all. One day, he saw Papa Dino chase prey. Bobby was surprised at how fast Papa Dino was. He resolved that he'd run equally fast from tomorrow. Early morning, as Mummy Dino taught him how to walk, Bobby attempted to run. Days went by, and Bobby still couldn't walk. Running like Papa Dino seemed out of question. Frustrated, one day he cried and complained to Mummy Dino. "I wanted to run like Papa, but I can't even walk." Mummy Dino smiled and said, "Bobby, everything is a process. Don't skip important steps to get ahead. It will only get you stuck. Walk and then run." Bobby listened. The next day he was walking, and in no time he was matching his forepaws with Papa's. Be true to yourself. Marcy was a wise old dinosaur. She was so old that she had witnessed the birth of almost all dinosaurs that were living in the forest with her. In all her time on the earth, she had met many dinosaurs, but none as unhappy as Marge. Marge was a T-Rex, one of the strongest and most ferocious dinosaurs ever. But Marge didn't like being known for such qualities. She wanted to make friends and be kind to all. Marge and Marcy were great friends. One morning she told Marcy, "Because of my precursors, I am stuck, being ferocious and mean. I hate it." Wise old Marcy said, "Marge, your actions define you, not your past or your family. So be friendly instead of ferocious if that is what you want. Just be true to yourself and all else will fall in place." Inspired, Marge changed her ways for better. Parents' love. Monty and Jaunty were two little dinosaur brothers. They were both mischievous but good dinos, and their parents loved them very much. But Monty always thought that their mother loved his brother Jaunty more. He always had complaints like, "Jaunty got a bigger piece," or "You always let Jaunty do it and never me." Each time he said so, Mummy Dinosaur felt bad, but failed to make him understand that they were both the same to her. One day, a fire broke out in the forest. Monty and Jaunty got trapped in it. Mummy Dinosaur jumped in and rescued her dino babies. Monty noticed how his mummy risked her life not only for him but also for his brother. She didn't think twice about whom to rescue first. Monty apologized to his parents and they said, "Always remember, parents love all their children equally and always more than themselves." Greedy Tyler. Tyler was a triceratops dinosaur. One evening he hunted prey and was carrying it home in his mouth to eat it in peace. But on his way back home, he had to walk over a fallen tree lying across a deep river. As he crossed, he looked down and saw his own shadow reflected in the water beneath. Thinking it was another triceratops with another piece of meat, Tyler made up his mind to have that also. Roaring his loudest roars, he made a snap with his sharp teeth at the shadow in the water. Just as he opened his mouth, the piece of meat fell out, dropped into the water, and was never seen again. Deeply disappointed at the loss of his dinner, he realized how the greed for more made him lose whatever little he had. Having learnt his lesson, Tyler began hunting for another prey.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.